Any Jackson & Perkins custom garden design installation starts with soil. That's what we're doing today. We're going to prepare this soil really well. This may seem like a lot of work, but this soil is the foundation for your plants for years and years to come. Before you add any amendments, you want to check your soil's pH level and also soil fertility. A good pH level is about 6.5 for all plants and roses. You can use a meter like our Home Advisor installer is using here, or you can send samples of your soil to a testing laboratory. Your first step to amending the soil is to remove any old debris that may be on the top of the ground. The best tool to amend a bed is a rototiller. If you own one yourself, that's great, or you can rent them at almost any garden center or even some of the larger box stores. Once you start rototilling the ground, you want to go back and forth as much as possible. 8, 9, 10 passes is not enough. I realize this may seem like a lot of work, but keep in mind that everything you're doing now is laying the foundation for your garden for years and years to come. You can see now we're getting well into it. You can see the rototiller's digging even deeper. So like I said, don't be afraid to make pass after pass after pass. It's worth the time. The last step is to add organic material to the garden. In this case, we're using mushroom compost, but compost you make yourself or any kind of composted organic material will certainly work. Even old leaves would work extremely well. Sprinkle them heavily on the bed, and then make sure you work it in with the rake and really get it down into that soil as best you can. You could even use the rototiller again if you want to. All of this work is done best about 4 to 6 weeks before your plants arrive. That way the garden has time to settle in, and when your new plants show up, they'll be ready to go. For the next step, check out our garden installation video.